3 reasons not to ignore this prostate exam. Your health is at stake. Today, we recommend this video that contains essential information for all men. In this detailed tutorial, the key steps in performing a prostate exam are explored.
The digital rectal examination, quite simply, some people might think of it as a rebranding of the old PR or per rectal.
Highlighting its importance not only in detecting gastrointestinal problems, but also in assessing prostate health. You will learn about the correct technique for examining the prostate, how to assess the size and surface of the gland.
Examination, and it's the examination that involves a digit or finger into the rectum. 2 main reasons that a DRE is done, main clinical reasons. Firstly, and the one I won't be focusing on as much today, is for various...
And the importance of not missing the opportunity to identify suspicious abnormalities. This video highlights the quality of the medical explanation, the clarity in the practical demonstration, and the relevance of the topic covered.
Gastrointestinal symptoms, although on that note, it's a really good idea to have a quick feel of the prostate gland when a man's having an examination for GI symptoms. Firstly, because it would be a shame to miss the opportunity to feel a suspicious prostate gland.
Don't miss the opportunity to gain this vital knowledge for your health. Watch the full video now. The link is in the video description.
Secondly, obviously it helps us get familiar with the various sizes of prostate glands that we might feel. And thirdly, if that gentleman does later present with urinary tract symptoms, well, he's already had the prostate examination. But that's obviously the main calls that I'll be